I am Swami Vishwanand. I have taken the spiritual knowledge as per the parampara of Sankaracharya, Adya Jagat Guru Sankaracharya. Our lovely Sankaracharya has born in Kalladi, Kerala. So, especially my brother and sister of Kerala state of India, I am request for specially Sanatani and Hindu peoples. Oh, my respected and lovely Hindu brother and sisters, including Muslims of Kerala state. Today, I want to request you and convey my experience of spiritual knowledge that each and every human beings have a human body equally, and in our human body there is a human soul, and human soul is equal. Almighty Supreme God has not make any difference and not any discrimination for gifting the human body and gifting the human soul to the entire humanity. So we must care about our soul, and soul is living in our human heart. As per the knowledge of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the Adhyaya 10 of Vibhuti Yoga. In Vibhuti Yoga, the Lord Krishna is telling us in the slok number 20, Aham Atma Dudakesa. I am repeating, Aham Atma Dudakesa Sarvabhutasaya Stita. Ahamaditya madhyamum cha bhutanamant evacha. It means God is telling us, oh Arjuna, it means oh entire humanity, I am living as a soul in each and every living beings in heart. God is living as a soul in our human heart. So, God is telling us, if we want to see God, we have to concentrate in our human heart. And God is telling to entire humanity that I am only one creator. I have created entire all living beings, and I am providing their foods and all requirements, and at last I am only one for destroying each and every living beings when needed, so that as per the knowledge of Kalki Avatar, Imam Mehdi, he has came in this beautiful world since last 82 years. Kalki Avatar has came in this beautiful world since 82 years. And he is teaching us that, oh human beings, you have to install God's name in our human heart. Then we have to concentrate in our human heart, and we have to remembering God's lovely name and stucking with the heart beating system. Then and then only the spiritual energy, divine light will start to generate in our human heart. And that divine energy, that spiritual light will spread in our entire human body with the flowing of our blood. So the Asur, the evil spirit, is installed in our belly button at the Nabi Kamal. So, at the time of Rama and Ravana war, the Ram has thrown the arrow at the spot of Ravana's Nabi Kamal, belly button. Then and then Ravana become a dead and came in the feet of Ram, Lord Ram. That message is telling us that if we will not purify our asur, our belly button, our nabi kamal, then and then we will do the all bad works. The bad works is encouraging to all human beings by the asur, by the nabi kamal, by the nabi soul. So this knowledge of Kalki Avatar is telling us, oh human beings, first you have to purify your Nabi soul by the generating divine energy from our heart with the heart beating system. We have to remember God's lovely name and stucking with the heart beating system, then only the divine energy will generate and our entire human body will be enlightened and our 7 souls, 7 chakras is installed our human body. By this divine energy, the all 7 souls, all 7 chakras will be become enlightened and lightful. Then our soul will also get the lightful, mightful, and then our soul will become to travel journey, become the capable to travel journey in the sky, and our soul will reach at the God, in front of God, and then we can see with God, we can talk with God, and we will meet with God. That's called moksha in Sanatana Dharma. So my lovely all citizen of Kerala state, of especially Hindu people, please hear and learn and follow the Dr. Anwar. He is my spiritual friend, he is my spiritual brother. He is giving the knowledge of Sanatana Dharma too, and not converting from Hindu to Muslim. So be trusted and make trust on Dr. Anwarji and follow the knowledge of Dr. Anwarji, and then I have confidence and I am giving you trust that one day you will meet with God. So today this is my first video for the all people of the Kerala state for requesting to follow the Dr. Anwar, and he is teaching the true spiritual technique.